We got a bit of a confrontation going here, folks. Two cats. And Belinha. Oh, that cat means business. Nice cat though. Meow. Meow. Nice looking cat. I think that cat will go for the dog. Come on, Belinha. Oi! These fucking cats mean business. Go away now, cat. Look at the cat. The cat is much bigger than Belinha. Go away now. No need to get nasty, Mr. Cat. He reminds me of Two Socks from the movie Dances with Wolves. Great movie that. Two Socks the Wolf. It's a big cat, that is. What do you think, Belinha? Big cat, no? Belinha's calm. The other cat is not so. It's a nice cat, that black one. Okay, Belinha, let's go. Come on. Meow. Meow. Nice cat. Ah, it's a female, I think. She's a nice looking cat. Belinha's happy. That must be the cat's. The other cat is a kitten. Oh well, a sibling. Not a sibling. Maybe your son or daughter. Nice. Okay. We'll get on our way. See ya. So, let's go. Yeah, they're following us. Hey, go away. The fucking two cats are like, they're like hunting. They're hunting us. They're hunting Belinha. Little fuckers. What do they think she is? A little hamster? A little rat? We're being hunted here, folks. Well, Belinha's being hunted. See, Belinha? This is the real world, huh? These little toy dogs. A dose of reality. They come out and these cats, these wild cats. Oh, look at this guy. He's a nice one. See, this guy's eating grass. He looks like he's a hound dog. What is that movie? It just came to my mind. Kids movie. Cartoon movie where he goes, I'm a hound dog. I can't remember just now. Maybe someone will. So dogs eat grass when they're not feeling too well. Look at that disgusting graffiti, huh? Yeah, when you're a teenager you think, oh, that's cool. But look, this is not the worst of it. You see buildings where you wonder how the hell they got up there. Massive buildings. I don't know, he's a mixture, that dog. Hound dog in him anyway. Come on, Belinha, let's go. Folks, let's go. I want to bring you back then. Come on. I'm watching. I'm watching those two cats. It was like they were going to go attack that other dog, but I think that other woman is their owner, and they were probably following her. Maybe they're maybe they get on with dogs. Let's see the big female, what she does. She doesn't look oh no. Let's see what she does. I'm sure if the dog gets close, she'll hit him with a quick southpaw on the nose. He'll have a bloody nose. It's cats for you. Alright. Enough of this video here. Let's go, Belinha. Still haven't done your number 2. Hey folks, catch you later. Still going to rain here in Santander, Sao Paulo. Cloudy, shitty day. Ciao, ciao.